The next one is a very special program. It's Yakshagana. It's performed by Dr. Guru Prasad Patwal, who is a general practitioner who works in Doncaster. For people who don't know Yakshagana, like me until this morning, Yakshagana is a fascinating combination of art style, tradition, education, and entertainment that appeals to all. It's a theater form that combines dance, music, dialogue, costume, makeup, and stage techniques with a unique style and form. And the artists spend quite a lot of time to get ready for these performances, and it can take anywhere between 1 to 2.5 hours for the facial makeup. So that's quite a lot of effort put by them. Dr. Guru Prasad Patwal has been trained by very eminent people in this field, and today he's going to perform along with his wife and beautiful daughter, Anvi. There are two parts in today's performance. So the first part of this performance is called Pandavara Odalaga. So this is usually performed at the beginning of any Yakshagana episode, which is based on Mahabharata. This is the traditional entry of Pandavas or kings one by one onto stage through a traditional curtain dance called Tere Kunita. The song is performed by legendary Yakshagana singer, late Sri Kalinga Navada. So please give a big cheer and welcome for Dr. Guru Prasad Patwal and his team. that was the first part of it. I hope you enjoyed it. So before we start the second part, I'm just going to briefly introduce about what you're going to see in the second part. The second part of the performance is a story from Adi Parva of Mahabharata. So what happens here is King of Kashi, he organizes a Sayamvara for his daughters, Ambe, Ambika and Ambalike. He invites all the kings but forgets to invite a powerful but evil king of Saubadesha who is called Salva. Salva, when he hears about this Swayamvara, decides to take himself there to challenge the king of Kashi. So on his way, Salva meets Ambe before the Swayamvara by accident, and they eventually fall in love. This song is where Salva tries to speak to Ambe to convince to marry him. They agree to meet at the Swayamvara to facilitate this secret alliance. This song is performed by famous Yakshagana singer Sri Kolagi Keshava Hegde.